Good morning everyone. Welcome to Vistaslearning classes. I am your maths tutor Shruthi. Now let us start our session. Okay, hold on. Let me wait for some seconds so that people will join. Okay, so before that, let us say something about our channel. We at Vistaslearning provide free education to concentrate all the sections of society, and it is not only right to education, it is right to quality education. We are striving hard to redefine this, and our services are V-Learning, VSMS. V-Learning? Well, it's an online platform where you can find many animated concepts, and VSMS, Vista School Management System, where you can track the students' progress. Now, if I am audible, please do comment in the comment section. Now, let us come to a session. What have we dealt in the previous sessions? We have learnt a beautiful chapter, that is data handling. Now, and we have seen many MCQs in it, right? Yes. Now we will be moving to a new chapter, that is simple equation. Before that, ma'am, what is this? Well, that is our motto. I hope you remember. It is always be learning. Now, let us come to our session. That is simple equation. What is simple equation? The word itself says equation. You have learnt n number of equations in your previous grades, right? Yes. So, what is this? That is where this concept is evolved. This is evolved from the branch of mathematics, that is algebra. So, when I say algebra, I remember one of my school friend, that is algebra to dil gabra. So, this is what we remember, because algebra is full of alphabets. So, many students get confused with it. Now, if suppose if it is calculation over there, we would deal easily with it. Just that is, if you use normal arithmetic equations or normal calculations or using any calculator, we can easily calculate. But how about alphabets? Dealing with alphabets and along with that numbers, it is highly difficult. So, that is why algebra is always considered, that is most of the students consider among the branch of mathematics, it is quite difficult. But don't worry, I will make it easy for you. And we are learning one of the new concept, that is simple equation. So, what is an equation? Now, let's get deep into it. What all we will be learning in simple equation? We will be learning, that is meaning, what is the meaning of equation? Next, how do you form an equation? And then solving an equation. And next, verification. You have to verify, some solution will be given, you have to verify whether this equation is satisfying, that is LHS and RHS are equal. What is LHS, RHS? Left hand side and right hand side. So, what is the meaning of equation? The word itself says equation, something which is having an equal sign. What does that something mean? Well, that is nothing but expression. Now, the meaning of equation. So, as you know, this is the symbol represented, that is for an equation. So, a statement that has the value of two mathematical expressions. So, this word is very important. So, it is not only normal constants or variable. Ma'am, you are introducing new two words, constants and variable. As you know, so numbers, this is in normal arithmetic. But here in algebra, we will be calling it as constants. Why constant? Something which is constant, something that doesn't change. So, 1, 2, 3, everything has a fixed value over there. So, that doesn't change. That is called as constants. How about variables? So, variables in English you will be calling it as alphabets. But in maths, you will be calling it as variables. So, this is how you have to bifurcate between the alphabets and variables. Now, a statement that has the value of two mathematical expressions, as soon as you get the word expression, it is combination of constants and variable are equal, indicated by the sign. This symbol is the sign. I hope you know, along with this there are n number of signs over there. Let us get in the further slides over there. Now, this is just a recall of your previous grade, that is in your grade 6. Now, what have you seen this? That is, as soon as you see this, what did you learn? So, when you see 4, ma'am, it's a number, but here we will be calling it as constants, and x. X is nothing but variable, plus 5 is equal to 17. Why are we calling this as equation? Because it involves the equal sign over there. So, what if it is just 4x plus 5? This is just called as mathematical expression. That's it. If it is having equal to 0 or anything it might be, it is called as, that is simple equation or just equation. So I hope you remember this in your previous grades. This is just a glimpse of your previous grade. So this part is called as left hand side and this part it is right hand side. I hope you remember all this. Let's get deep into it. This is very important note. You have to remember this. Ma'am, do we call everything as an equation? No. So whenever the sign symbol less than and greater than, whenever you get this symbol, that is equation is not satisfying. Why? Because equal to sign is not coming over there. So that is, let us read the note over there. This is one of the very important note. If there is some sign other than the equality sign between the LHS and the RHS, it is not an equation. So now this side is LHS and this side is RHS. Do I have equal to sign over there? No, it is greater than sign over there. So that is why you are calling, that is, it is not an equation. So this doesn't come under equation, the concept itself. Now it says that, this is just the explanation what have we just did now. So it says that the value of 4x plus 5 is greater than which number RHS? It is 65. Similarly, 4x plus 5 is less than 65 is not an equation. So that is what we said, if it is having equal to or not equal to. That is, if it is having less than or greater than, it is not an equation over there. It says that the value of 4x plus 5 is smaller than 65. What if it is having just equal to, that is 4x plus 5 is equal to 65. Yes, then you can call it as equation. I hope you are understanding the difference over there. Now, the next one, what is this? Well, you have to write the following statement in the form of equations. How do you form equation? Just by reading the statement, how do you extract the equation over there? The first one, the sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. What is the meaning of time? So whenever you get the word time, it is nothing but multiplication. So I hope you have to remember. So time and by. So by is nothing but division, time is into over there, and obviously sum is nothing but addition over there. And how about from? From is nothing but minus over there. These are the small keywords you have to remember whenever you are extracting the equation from a statement over there. Now the sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. So we are dealing with two numbers, that is sum. So what is the sum? So let me write first equation, sum of 3 times x. So that is nothing but 3x. I hope you know, if there is no symbol over there, it is understood as product itself. So 3 times x, and which is that number? So 11. Is means is equal to 32. Isn't it easy? Yes, let's solve the second one. So second one, if you subtract 5 from 6 times a number, see this is very important. This is where students go wrong. As we correct the papers, this is what we noticed. So as soon as you get the number, they write it over there. No. So whenever you get from over there, what is the later part? You have to write in the first over there. So after from, what is the number over there? It is 6 times a number. Do I know the number? I don't know the number. Keep it any alphabet over there. So 6 times product. So 6 times a number, 6x. Ma'am, why are you taking x itself? Okay, you can take any alphabet, that is left to you. So 6 times a number. From, since it is from, you have to introduce minus symbol over there. So minus of which one? Of 5 is equal to, that is, you will be getting, what is the number? 7. Isn't it easy? Yes. Now the last one. 1/3 of a number, 1/3. Remember, it is 1/3. As soon as you get this one, so it is 1/3. What is 1/2? That is half. What is 1/4? 1/4, 1/5. So that is nothing but division over there. So 1/3 of a number. Do I know the number? I don't know. Keep it any alphabet. Of a number x. Ma'am, why are you not writing any symbol over there? Now, this is also one word. Whenever you get of, it is also understood as product itself. So, of a number plus 5. So, that is directly they have given plus 5 is equal to 8. Now, I hope it is easy, right? Now, you might get the reverse question also. Suppose if they have given this one, you have to write in a sentence format. So, that is why I have not taken that main itself. So, extracting statement from the exact statement, what do you tell? Extracting, continue. Extracting the equation from the statement is quite difficult. So, that is why I have taken this main. And reverse is very easy, right? Yes. Now, say whether, the next main is very important, say whether the equation is satisfied or not. Ma'am, what is this? There are n number of equations. I am not understanding it. Okay, let us move to the first one. X plus 3 is equal to 0, comma, x is equal to 3. This is nothing but you have to take the x value, that is you have to put the x value in that equation. That's it. So, now x is equal to 3. Just substitute it. So, now x plus 3 is equal to 0, where I have to substitute. So, it is 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. You have to write whether yes or no. So, 3 plus 3 will give me 6 is equal to 0. Is 6 equal to 0? Obviously, it is not equal to. So, your answer is no. Now, you have to satisfy LHS is equal to RHS. Now, let us see which is that question which is satisfying. Now, x minus 1, that is x minus 7 is equal to 1. Now, the value of x is 7 over there. Wherever x is there, substitute that values. So, 7 minus 7 is equal to 1. 7 minus 7, 0 equal to 1. Is 0 equal to 1? No. So, not equal to. So, this is also no over there. How about the third one? M by 3 is equal to 2. Let us write in the normal form. M by 3 is equal to 2. What I have to substitute for M? It is 6. That is 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. You can do this. 3 ones are 3 twos are, or divided by 3 is there. If you send to RHS, it becomes into 3. That is left to you. So, 3 ones are 3 twos are. 2 is equal to 2. Is it satisfying? Yes. LHS is equal to RHS. So, your answer is yes over there. Now, the next one. 5x is equal to 25 and x value is minus 5 over there. So, 5 into, I hope you remember, if nothing is there, it is understood as into symbol itself. So, 5 into minus 5 is equal to 25. 5 into minus 5. 5 into 5, it is 25. How about the sign over there? So, plus into minus. So, plus into minus, minus is equal to 25. Yes, minus 25 equal to 25? No, it is not equal to. So, your answer is no over there. I hope it is easy, right? Yes, simple equation is one of the easiest chapter. Now, the next one. It is somewhat easy, but there are no things, that is no x or no y you have to substitute. You have to find the value. Now, the first one, 3n plus 7 is equal to 25. And the second one, 2p minus 1 is equal to 23. So, what is 3n plus 5 is equal to 25? How do you solve that? Easy method, take the numbers or the constants one side and next alphabets. What do you tell? Variables one side. So, your first answer is 3n plus 7 is equal to 25. So, 3n is equal to 25 plus 7. If I take to this side, it becomes minus 7. So, 3n is equal to, what is 25 minus 7? 25 minus 7 is 18. You can comment in the comment section also if you are fast. Now, 18 into 3. If it comes to this side, it is divided by 3. N is equal to 3 ones are 3 6 are. So, your answer is n is equal to 6. So this is what you have to find the variable value. What is the second one? So second one, 2p minus 1 is equal to, so 2p minus 1 is equal to 23 over there. So 2p is equal to 23 minus 1. If I take to that side, it becomes plus 1. So 2p is equal to 24. P is equal to 24 divided by 2. So what is 24 divided by 2? Well, it is P is equal to 12. Now, when you solve this one, especially during corrections, we observe this. So whenever they are writing this equation, so they will put two equal signs in the same line. No, this is not accepted in mathematics. So whenever you are writing each step, make sure that there is only one equal to sign over there. Ma'am, how do you write at the starting? Well, you have to write this symbol, that is amplification symbol. Yeah, let me tell for this problem. So this is how you write. Many students write this one. No, it is wrong. It is not accepted in mathematics. So now you have to make sure that you write the amplification symbol over there. Now the next problem, separate the variable and then solve the equation. The question you have to remember, it is not just solve, you have to first separate, that is variable separate, then you have to solve. So with the variable, what is there here? Nothing is there. So keep it as it is. X is equal to 0, keep it as it is, minus 1. If I take to that side, it is plus 1. This is separated. Now you can solve. So x is equal to 1. So your answer is done. Isn't it easy? Yes. The next one, y, first separation is important, minus 4 plus 4 if it comes to that side, minus 4. So y is equal to, what is minus 4 minus 4? In a hurry students do this mistake, 4 4s are 16. No, it is same sign, put the same sign and add the number. So put the same sign and add the number, that is y is equal to minus 8. How about this one? 3i, I hope you are doing along with me. Yes. So 3i is equal to 42 is the question. What to do? So you have to transfer 3 to RHS. So I is equal to 42 divided by 3. I is equal to 3 ones are, what is the remainder? 1 is the remainder, 3 4s are. So your answer is I is equal to 14 over there. How about this one? A by 5. So now it is A by 5 is equal to 7 by 15. How to do this one? Easy method, divided by 5. If it comes to this side, it becomes into 5. So A by 5, okay, let me take my eraser. Okay, so A is equal to 7 by 15 into 5. So what is the next step? So 5 ones are, 5 3s are. So your answer is A is equal to 7 by 3. 3s is equal to 0. Just by looking itself, you can just tell. But the question is on separate and then do. So now S is equal to 0 by 3. S is equal to 0 over there. 0 by 3, anything divided by 3? I mean anything, any number divided by 0. Continue. 0 divided by any number is 0 itself. Now the next problem, this is one of the last concept of our session. Solve the following equations. So P, 10p is equal to 100. Next, 10p plus 10 is equal to 100. Everything is on one alphabet itself and Q over there. You can take any alphabet. This is questions are directly taken from your textbook. So please pay attention. So now 10p is equal to 100. How do I do that? If nothing is there means it is considered as into itself. So if it transferred to RHS, it is p is equal to 100 divided by 10. So 0 0 get cancelled. Your answer is p is equal to 10 over there. The next one, 10p plus 10 is equal to 100. Make sure that you transfer all the constants one side and next alphabets. So 10p is equal to 100. What if plus 10 comes to this side? It is minus 10. Minus 10. 10p is equal to 90. P is equal to 90. What is the answer? Divided by 10. It becomes, let us solve. So 0, 0 cancel. Your p value is 9 over there. It looks difficult, but when you solve it, it is just 2 or 3 steps, right? Yes. Now, p divided by 4 is equal to 5 over there. So, p divided by 4 is equal to 5. Take the constants one side. So, p is equal to 5 into 4. So, p is equal to 20. 5 4s are 20. I hope you know this table. Next, just be careful whenever the numerator is having the minus sign over there, and this is also fraction, that is divided by is there. So, minus p divided by 3 is equal to 5. So, minus p is equal to 5. What is divided by 3? It is into 3. So, now minus p is equal to 15. Now, this is where many students go wrong. They will just transfer this minus this side, it becomes plus. No, this is entirely different. Why? Because if nothing is there, it is considered as 1 itself. So, this is 1 over there. 1 minus 1 into p. What if it comes to this side? So, p is equal to, so p, let me take my pen. So, p is equal to 15 divided by minus 1. Now, you can do the normal thing. So, that is plus divided by minus. So, what is plus divided by minus? So, p is equal to minus 15. Don't write it as plus 15. No, you can't do that. How about the last one? 2q plus 6 is equal to 12. So, this is nothing but keep 2q as it is equal to 12 minus 6. So, what is 12 minus 6? It is 6 itself. Now, into 2. If it comes to this side, divided by 2. Q is equal to 6 divided by 2. 2 1s are, 2 3s are. Q is equal to 3 is your last answer. See, just when you have a look at the entire main, it is just 2 or 3 steps. You will be getting the full marks over there. So, that is why we call maths is interesting. See, in theoretical subjects, you have to write pages together to get 4 or 5 marks. But maths is one subject. If you just follow the steps, within that marks itself, whatever the marks is there, you will be getting the entire marks. So, that is why we tell maths is one of the easiest subjects. It is not difficult subject. Just you have to get deep into it. Now, I hope you have understood the entire session because we have dealt n number of concepts in it, and in the next session we will be dealing many more concepts. Why? Why? Because where exactly the simple equation being used? Many students say this, ma'am, I know maths, I will work out, especially during the exam time I will sit night and all, I will work out everything. But implementing in the practical life, that is where many students fail it. So, that is why in the next sessions we will be dealing why exactly and where exactly simple equations in the practical life we will be using it. Now, I hope the class was very interesting, right? Yes, to listen to more such interesting classes, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. It would be a great support for us. Thanks for listening. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.